It only takes two people to believe in you to be successful. If you believe in yourself, you're already halfway there. Believing you have what it takes isn't a difficult task for aspiring audio technician and musical composer Jake Goldstein. Jake is a dedicated musician, proud father, and diligent student who attends Franklin Pierce University for music with a concentration in music technology. On a regular basis, you can find Jake in the comfort of his own confinement as he immerses himself in the sounds of the studio. Jake takes pride not only in creating original compositions with programs such as Pro Tools and Reason, but also by taking time to help other aspiring musicians and fellow students by recording what they specialize in. Jake records a variety of artists ranging from vocalists, drummers, pianists, and much, much more. When Jake isn't busy recording other musicians, he has no problem staying plenty busy himself with his own aspirations. What do you want to do? Where do you want to go?
I think my next big step for me after Franklin Pierce would be to go to UMass Lowell. I've heard they have a master's degree program in sound recording technology.
Can you tell me about some of the compositions you've made for your friend Guthrie and how he's used it in his movie?
Guthrie, yeah, he's a great guy. I used to program what's called Reason. And what I did was I listened to a specific song that he wanted me to model off of. And then I just found out different sort of droning sounds, some patches, some elongated notes, and we went through each patch, each instrument, and Guthrie said, yeah, that one, or that one, yeah, that one. So it shows different sounds that he enjoyed, and I also chose sounds that I also enjoyed as well. And I just layered them. I would play one, record it, then I would take another sound, record it, and keep on doing it, and layer each sound. He used it in his movie called The Devil's Demise. The Devil's Demise is currently on YouTube. Check it out.
My name is P.J. Tarver. My day job? That's not really important. But what I do by night is important. Some call it blood money. Me? Well, I just call it a living.
Don't underestimate him, because when you find yourselves so deep in hell, not even the devil will help you out.
What types of different artists have you recorded in the studio before here at Franklin Pierce?
Well, the different artists that I've recorded have consisted of Michael Brown, who is a singer, Seamus Pender, who is an Irish folk singer, Evan J. Williams, who is a concert pianist, Paul Goldstein, who is also a concert pianist, and Devontae Jones, who is a rap artist.
My child arrived just the other day. He came in the world in the usual way, but there were planes to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away, and he was talking before I knew it, and as he grew, he said, I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you.